Isang buwan na kaming nagtatry ng viral Dubai Chewy Cookie from over 10 different sellers and cafes. We're sharing our own personal reviews and rankings based on flavor, texture, and if sulit ba for its price. Irarank namin sila using our Certified Foodies ranking. For part 1, we're reviewing 5 Dubai Chewy Cookies from 4 different sellers near us here in Bulacan and yung sa Cha Cha Cha. Start tayo with Pistachio Mochi from Wealth Tea. Ito yung pinakamalapit sa amin na merong version ng chewy cookie. Maliit siya for its price na 165. Maraming cocoa powder na di naman overpowering yung lasa. Makapal and medyo di ganun kalambot yung mochi shell niya. Not sure if mochi nga talaga kasi iba yung texture niya for us. Katayfi naman yung filling but medyo dry lang siya. Not too sweet but I can barely taste the pistachio flavor. Di rin ganun karami yung filling. Chocolate is semi-sweet. Bitin yung lasa for its price so ranking namin is not for me kasi it needs more improvement pa. Chef Royal Pastries Dubai Chewy Cookies. We found this Bulacan seller then pinalalamove na lang namin. Medyo di ganun kabilog yung shape niya. Nag-flatten na siya kasi konti lang yung filling niya. Manipis lang yung marshmallow shell kaya ang ganda ng stretch. Magaan lang and when we saw the filling parang cornflakes yung itsura and texture instead na katayfi. Kita nyo na iba yung shape so it doesn't look like katayfi to us. Iba rin yung mouthfeel niya. Crunchy naman siya and nagustuhan ko rin yung part na yun. Not sure why parang flakes yung gamit kasi the posts on their page say na katayfi yung gamit nila. Yung filling was creamy and sweet pero I don't taste any pistachio. So not for me ang ranking niya. Needs improvement pa. Next is Ana & Co. Patisserie in Valenzuela. Medyo maliit lang yung chewy cookie nila. Manipis yung marshmallow shell, pero di ganun ka-stretchy or soft. Toasted katayfi yung filling, and siksik naman sa filling kahit maliit siya. Yung filling, not too creamy, di naman din dry. Malalasahan mo talaga yung pistachio flavor sa filling. Di rin siya ganun katamis, sakto lang. Yung ka-counter ng cocoa powder yung tamis. Well-balanced, kaya nagustuhan din namin. The crunch is there kasi katayfi talaga yung gamit nila. Pet ko to kasi sana lang mas malaki siya. Pero tama lang naman for its price ng 124. Bitin lang kasi. We'll probably try their other flavors. Our ranking? Yummy! Next is Chocolate Pistachio Chewy Cookie from Cha Cha Cha. We ordered twice na from them. Yung chewy cookies nila yung unang-una namin na-try last month pa. We tried the Dubai chocolate cake before and sobrang nagustuhan namin. Kaya we were super excited to try their version of this chewy cookie. We'll post about their other pastries separately. We got their chocolate and matcha chewy cookies. Medyo pricey lang at 200 plus per piece, pero malaki naman siya. The first time we tried them, galing sa ref so chilled siya. Mabigat at siksik yung chewy cookie nila. We were surprised by their matcha chewy cookie. Lasang-lasa mo yung matcha flavor talaga. Nananapak yung matcha. Earthy, slightly bitter. Sarap. Yung Dubai Chewy Cookie nila has pistachios on top. Since chilled pa siya, medyo tumigas and dry siya, pero may konting stretch pa rin siya. Medyo makapal yung marshmallow shell, pero lasang-lasa mo yung pistachio flavor and yung chocolate sa marshmallow shell. Andun pa rin yung crunch kahit naka-chill siya. We wanted to try them again na di naka-chill, so we ordered last week lang. Malambot siya and ganun pa rin kasiksik. Same na di ganun ka-stretching yung marshmallow shell. Sobrang creamy yung filling but for some reason, iba yung lasa niya dun sa tanda naming flavor nung first time namin natikman. Mas lumalamang na yung lasa ng cocoa powder and marshmallow over the pistachio.